If you look at DuploCloud products and services, if you go to a market today looking for a cloud migration solution, you'll get a lot of consulting partners, MSPs, and so on and so forth, right? DuploCloud presents a slightly unique solution, which is we offer a platform which simplifies your deployment strategy, but at the same time, we'll give you all the expertise and support in one package. You get the initial investment of time and money and resources that we will work together with, but also at the same time, you will get bundled as a software platform subscription, that level of expertise on an ongoing basis. So DuploCloud's biggest win is to simplify the model of migrations, but at the same time, having all the expertise at your disposal to make sure that your migration is executed, done on time, but also on an ongoing basis, remain secure, compliant, efficient. The DuploCloud engages with customers to execute their cloud migration end-to-end. If a customer has a need to understand the scope of what they're migrating, they need highly skilled and educated staff on hand. One of the reasons they would opt for a solution like DuploCloud would be one solution which not just gives them a good model for execution, but also a staff who can come in and help out with that execution as well. So one of the top pain points that a business might face is just understanding of the scope. And to understand the scope of a cloud migration, they need people who understand the complexity, the source and the target of the migration, and how to break apart the project plan. We come in with highly skilled people on our team who engage customers from day one to build out that project plan and give them confidence. At the same time, the way the platform comes in, it provides a really seamless execution model, which allows our team to not just execute on the migration, but also educate the customers to actually take over a lot of the control themselves. So overall, if you look at the highly technical bar that every cloud migration has, we will help fill that bar by lowering the technical complexity by having a DuploCloud platform, but also at the same time, offer our expertise to train up the customer side as well. So the complexity of the overall migration effort gets reduced. One of the stories I can recall of DuploCloud successfully executing a migration is one of our clients were running a large Kubernetes workload on-prem. They also had parts of it running in the public cloud in AWS, and they wanted to move the large Kubernetes workload into the cloud as well, but while maintaining dependencies on their on-prem infrastructure as well. So that untangling of dependencies and planning out the movement of the workload from on-prem to public cloud was a big challenge. More so, on top of that, they wanted to do continuous deployments, which were previously running as like CI/CD runners on-prem. So we had to go deploy a lot of their CI/CD workload in the cloud as well, but at the same time, keeping the connections to on-prem by creating VPN tunnels and all that associated stuff. So overall, that use case was successful, but it needed a lot of planning, a lot of dependency diagramming across on-prem and cloud. So it truly was a hybrid solution at the end. But we were able to make that happen over the course of